everyone, it's James for 3 here, and we're going to be unboxing a Cuckoo clock today. Thanks to Cam Clock TV, I've started getting into clocks, so I decided to buy a Cuckoo clock. So we're going to unbox it, so let's do it. That appears to be open. Don't even know where else to start. Oh, there we go. Let me just cut that a bit. There we go. We got styrofoam in here. And I'm making a mess with it. Look. Oh. Maybe, did I open this on the right side? I might have to vacuum this one then. Oh, you know what? It's this way, okay. Alright, here it is, guys. The Cuckoo clock. We're gonna have to put it together though. So, we'll probably do a separate video on this. I'll probably link the other video. And there, I made a mess as you're able to see, so there's the clock itself, so I'm gonna have to put it together, so I'll talk to you guys later. I'm gonna go clean up this mess and we'll get started putting this Cuckoo clock together. Okay, it's now time to put the Cuckoo clock together. Here's the little user manual that it came with. So you got the second hand, the hour hand, and the minute hand, as you're able to see, and install the clock needles in the dial proper order: hour hand first, minute hand second hand, and set the time to 12 o'clock. So that's what we're going to do. And then we're going to be assembling the pendulum. So we have this little package right here. I'm just going to open that up. And we'll get the small little parts out. There's the pendulum right there. There's the minute hand. And here's the second hand. So this is the pendulum. That's actually really cool. So what we want to do is we want to put the hour hand on first, I think. Yeah, hour hand, minute hand, and then second hand. So we take the little hands. Here's the hour hand. Then we take the minute hand. I'm trying to see how this is going to work. Okay, so they just go like that. So what we want to do is we want to take them all together like that. And then we want to put them on the clock and set it to 12. So I think that might be right. I may have to pull this thing off for a bit. Yeah, I'm gonna pull it off for, actually, maybe not. I think I might see. Yeah, I'm gonna move it over to the right a bit, guys. So it said at the hour hand. See, the hands are moving a bit. I don't think they should be. I think I gotta push it down. I just don't want to. No, I just don't want to break it, you know. There. Okay, so I figured it out. Yeah, it was the gold side. You just gotta push carefully on it. So there, I got the hands on, and then we're gonna put the second hand on, which is gonna keep all the hands on there correctly. So yeah, this Cuckoo clock actually has 3 hands. It doesn't just have a minute hand and an hour hand. It has a second hand as well. Let's see. Did I get it? Yeah, and I think I did. Just want to make sure. Now we're gonna need a battery. So, there's the Cuckoo clock as it is. You guys are able to see the hands. Oh wait, no, we gotta first install the pendulum. So, the pendulum has this, and then you got this right here. So this actually will be a swinging pendulum. So that's gonna be kind of cool. The question is, how do we put it on? Because the instructions are very vague, and that's like with most things. So, okay, I think I might see where the pendulum goes. Yeah, you know what? This is it right here. Right there, that's the pendulum. So, I have to flip this like that, yeah. So if we take, I think these are supposed to break off, so yeah. So we're gonna push that out. This is my first time doing this, guys, so I don't know. So we push that out, and then we push the other piece out without breaking it. Come on. There we go. See? And there you go. Okay, so now what we want to do is, it looks like it's somehow going to clamp onto the pendulum. And the pendulum is going to go this way for now because we have the clock upside down. So, let's see. This is the front view of the clock. So it says to put that up and then put... Oh, okay, I think I see how this is going to work. Yep, I know exactly how this is going to work now. So we're going to flip the... So actually, we're going to do it from the back because I think it'll be the easiest way to do it is from the back. So we're going to put this here. Yep, there we go. So yeah, this thing does have a mini pendulum, which is kind of cool. Yep. And then we want to put this on the front. Okay, so we're gonna flip this over to the front now. And it looks like, yeah, this may not be easy to get in the video, guys, so if I'm not able to do that, yeah. But it looks like it goes like this. The little piece right here goes on there, and then it goes in. So I'm gonna cut again because I don't want to possibly break this thing because it's a brand new clock and I don't want to break it. So I'll be right back. Cut now. Alright guys, the pendulum is now installed, so there you guys go. I know it was tough. There was actually one of the chains on the back of the clock was actually in the way, which was making it kind of tough. But you can see that you can see the pieces of wood right there. So you can see right there, there's the pendulum, and then there's the piece of wood right there, the little thing that holds it in place, as you can see on the user instructions. So right there. So I'm gonna put a battery in it, and we're gonna see this thing in action. Be right back. All right, guys, I moved the pendulum over, and we're now gonna put the battery in. Here we go. None other than the Westinghouse battery as well. If I can get it in there. I may have to do this off camera. But should be going. It's moving. See? I'll be doing a better video about this at some point. Let's see. Alright, well that'll be it.